Across the vast, sun-baked expanses of South America's ancient Cerrado, an extraordinary phantom walks among the towering golden grasses. Elevated high above the terrain on impossibly long, stilt-like legs, this is no ordinary predator. This is the elusive maned wolf. Neither a true wolf nor a fox, the maned wolf represents the sole surviving species of its distinct evolutionary genus. Spanning over 2 million square kilometers, the Cerrado presents one of the most ecologically rich yet demanding environments on Earth. To conquer this realm of extreme heat and seasonal drought, the maned wolf engineered a survival strategy like no other. Its razor-sharp senses are attuned to the faintest rustle hidden deep beneath the dense tropical canopy. Capable of rotating independently, its radar-like ears pinpoint prey moving silently beneath 3 feet of brush. Those famous long limbs act as natural periscopes, enabling the hunter to scan over ocean-like waves of vegetation. Olfactory precision directs every step, reading the subtle chemical messages left by the savanna's smaller inhabitants. When prey is located, the maned wolf does not rely on group pack tactics. It strikes entirely alone. With a sudden, stiff-legged pounce, it leaps high over the grass, coming down directly upon its target with lethal precision. Small rodents, armadillos, and ground-nesting birds form vital protein sources during the cooler hunting hours. Yet remarkably, meat constitutes only half of this unique omnivore's dietary intake. Meet the Solanum lycocarpum, commonly known as the wolf apple fruit, an essential botanical cornerstone for the species. Rich in moisture and nutrients, this fruit provides critical hydration during periods when open water sources evaporate. In return, the maned wolf acts as the primary seed disperser, planting the seeds across miles of open savanna. A single home territory can cover over 30 square kilometers, requiring constant vigilance and clear boundaries. To communicate across vast distances without physical conflict, the maned wolf unleashes a deep, resonant vocalization. This thunderous roarbark echoes for miles through the night, declaring ownership and advertising mate availability. As the dry season tightens its grip, temperatures surge and the landscape transforms into a sun-bleached crucible. Waterholes shrink to shallow puddles, forcing all creatures to adapt or perish. Using its strong front claws, the maned wolf excavates dry streambeds to access hidden underground water pockets. This remarkable ingenuity ensures survival when rival species are forced to migrate or suffer. Yet drought brings an even greater threat to the Cerrado: seasonal, fast-moving wildfires. Fanned by strong dry winds, flame fronts can sweep across miles of grassland in a matter of hours. Its unique pacing gait, moving both legs on one side simultaneously, allows it to cover immense distances with minimal energy expense. Outrunning the flames, it returns to find a transformed landscape where fire triggers rapid ecological regeneration. With the return of the rainy season comes the brief window for courtship and pair bonding. Although largely solitary throughout the year, breeding pairs maintain monogamous bonds that endure for life. Deep within a sheltered sandstone crevice, the female prepares a secure sanctuary for the next generation. Born almost entirely black, the newborn pups bear little resemblance to the fiery golden adults they will become. The male plays an active role in family life, hunting tirelessly to provide nourishment for the nursing mother. As weeks pass, the pups grow rapidly, their coats gradually shifting toward the iconic reddish-gold hue. Play fighting develops essential coordination, sharpening the leaping and pouncing reflexes required for adult survival. Under careful parental guidance, the young learn to navigate the intricate matrix of the savanna. Insects and small invertebrates provide early hunting practice before the young tackle fast-moving vertebrate prey. With the arrival of the heavy monsoon rains, the Cerrado undergoes a dramatic seasonal resurrection. Flooded wetlands replace dusty streambeds, transforming hunting strategies across the entire ecosystem. Here, those exceptionally long limbs provide another distinct evolutionary advantage: effortless wading through flooded terrain. Opportunistic by nature, it quickly adapts its diet to harvest aquatic life trapped in seasonal pools. This versatility has allowed the species to endure for hundreds of thousands of years through climate shifts and environmental upheaval. Yet the Cerrado is not without formidable apex competitors. The powerful jaguar shares the borders of this realm. When threatened, the maned wolf erects its black mane, instantly increasing its visual size to deter potential aggressors. Choosing evasion over direct conflict, it relies on speed and spatial memory to slip away into the dense brush. Ancient, complex, and delicate, this biome depends on every thread of its ecological web. At 1 year old, the young maned wolf reaches full independence, venturing forth to establish its own sovereign territory. It must now map every contour, scent post, and water source across miles of unfamiliar wilderness. Every rock and tree becomes part of an intricate mental map passed down through generations. Under the pale light of the full moon, the solitary hunter comes into its true element. The distinctive white tip of its bushy tail acts as a subtle beacon for offspring following in dark grass. Resting during the peak midday heat conserves vital energy for the cooler twilight hunting shifts. Mile after mile, it patrols its domain, maintaining the delicate balance of the grassland community. Sharing its habitat with giant anteaters, pumas, and rare armadillos, it embodies the spirit of peaceful coexistence. Where the wild integrity of the Cerrado remains unbroken, the maned wolf flourishes as its true living monarch. Through millions of years of natural selection, every anatomical detail of this animal has been sculpted for perfection. Neither phantom nor myth, the maned wolf stands as a testament to evolutionary resilience. And as long as these ancient grasslands endure, the legacy of the golden stiltwalker will continue. Walking softly upon stilt legs, it carries the ancient heartbeat of South America's greatest savanna. A silent guardian of the open plains, forever roaming the golden ocean of the Cerrado. This is the domain of the incredible maned wolf, the true, undisputed monarch of the wild savanna.